Negasngi Kekermen Foundation cirup iya krelang waka Hawaii Socio Development Society, delang waka kiang nang ba Government College Students Union, cirup waka Civil Blood Bank Juai, dapan man ki yai isnam sngau bha kam ju le ipen sngau thu caki wapure gani ke college hajrong i koridor isnam, ne bha wapen im ko yaki bru wa em hatan dian i im. Hakilang tebian cua wa sedang i isnam sngau bha ne liang ke Dr. P. Shella, Senior Medical Officer in Charge ke Civil Blood Bank Juai, da betai beni ako hayato i rukom isnam, we kam menyerap i yaki bru wa em haperdi i kejut citom. Penci gole wana perdi ki lejai ki rukom isnam wa kentup ki voluntary blood donor, replacement blood donor wa ki professional blood donor, to du ki voluntary blood donor dan hi wa i cengai we pendap penbiang senam ya ke blood bank, yo ye ko lai cakman, lem kam te ka blood bank man ko wathli. Niliang ulas ki rambai Deputy CM ke JHADC hawa kelam kam ukongsan, daya ro uya ki kenro kelot wa demi ki cakmat hayato wa kani ka benta, wa kani ka benta wa cim mto wa em ki du imen sen sngau warai, tang wa depen yo ki lek day kam ye wa sngau kia ki ne benta ki pramen sim. Kiwi wan wa iklam kentup ya ke Dr. Esther Minabla, Principal ke Kiang Nang Ba Government College Juai, ke Simi Kong Tiang Sekretari ke Kermen Foundation, u Frederick Senna na ke Hawaii Socio Development Society, u Evermore Rambai President ke Kiang Nang Ba Government College Students Union, ke IT Mary Maulong wa kiwi hagelang wa pelai daw Achilles Rupert Barian.
Donor, that means a donor who comes and give back the blood that is being taken from our blood bank, and we also get our voluntary blood donors. There are 3 different types of donors. Okay, a donor is a person who gives blood, and there are different types of donors. These are a voluntary blood donor. You can understand who is it. A replacement blood donor. That also you can understand. And the third one is called a professional blood donor. This professional blood donor is that donor who takes money in return of the blood that he gives to a patient. And our blood bank, no blood bank in the whole of India, in the whole of the world, entertains such blood donors. Okay, and among all these 3 donors, the safest donor is a voluntary blood donor like you all. Okay? The voluntary blood donor is the safest donor, and it is a voluntary blood donor that helps the blood bank to carry on its function smoothly. If it was just replacement, it would have been just hand to mouth. You take one, you give one, so it will be just something like that only, no buffer stock. But it is the voluntary blood donor who is the main backbone of every blood bank. And we in our blood center of Juai Civil Hospital, we are very fortunate to have a number of voluntary blood donors under different organizations that I cannot name them all, and few of them are with us here today. And I really am very happy, and I want to congratulate the students who are going to donate very soon. I salute you all. As Sir Frederick said, that you are going to be the heroes. The real hero of our society is a voluntary blood donor. You can do a charitable work of any kind, in cash, money, and all sorts of charitable work that you can do. But the most precious of all is a charitable work by blood donation.
Kikam kule to pi kikonkonlo. Uya yakani kakam nebenta kalawe yo kecai dulu. Siang kemen wong wapun na pi hakat kesngi. Kuman pi kita ku am kita kemensen. Ku willing yang pi nebenta donate. Ya kesnam Koi yo uya eklian ivi hagacing imkyo kaspa ka phawla de ye pi ne go kawane kata ka jingmaya wa ye pi da kata ka bor ko ongi God's gift kasnam to wa burom daw blai nete daw hawa ya kasnam to di kuburom cha QM hakajing em kam ya kemet ki yongki bat siang suk chu wong wa ka kenten ke yong wi na ulong yalam yong gri India hakat ko uma tama khandi dam nu wong. The greatness of humanity is not in being human but in being human. Em kami wonto do na mentai jing em te jing siao ron ai dan hi ya pi ya kajing ya pi em kam le da ka kam ko penyo ya pi da ko ya ka snam cha ko chen jing kini to konten ko isnyawi ha ka jing im yong ikam ki bru wa em wo do ko em mensen hanrei ha wa em ka mensen ton penyo da ki kam ko im le ya panta ka lawe yo pensuk pensani ya ka lawe yung jagru yung ikampang na hagan ka district o Miami da hagan ka po na kalian yung sa su ko chasisin o ikublay lang ipi waro e wa kan ka sngi man ko ji ka sngi ko sa jingkan mo haga jing im kyong i kampang na ya ki officers but kampang na ya doktor napo ka department kiyong ki, napo ka college kiyong inang ni, but napo ka hawahoy society, kichiyong bat kamta me yapi ki konkonro, yung rilong chay kya kiyong ni, wa uman ko kusni ko sa jingkan mo, hagajingin yung i, napanta ko yarap kiyang ni, hivi heito, wa donate i, yagasnang.